This video is to demonstrate the Milestone 4 autonomy behaviors for the Autonodyne AFWERX contract. The stack behavior allows the user to select multiple dissimilar aircraft using our new lasso functionality and stack them in a deconflicted formation. I begin by launching all vehicles simultaneously and lassoing the vehicles I'd like to control. With multiple vehicles selected, I can then select a location to stack the vehicles. The stack interface allows the user to edit the various offsets and altitudes and also provides a visualization of the formation. At any time, the stack location can be moved by dragging the center point. With the stack completed, I can then command an avalanche. All vehicles return to base. The inspect behavior allows the user to define an area for an automated inspection flight. With knowledge of the camera or sensor field of view, the ground control software will calculate the most efficient path. I begin by pressing on the map in the region that I'd like to inspect. Via the task menu, I select Inspect. I can now adjust the corners of the polygon as needed, as well as edit the parameters of the Inspect task. After confirming the Inspect placement, you'll notice that although there are many points within the Inspect pattern, it is simplified down to a single Inspect task card on the right-hand side of the screen. The only thing left to do is launch the vehicle and start mission. The observe behavior allows the user to specify a point of interest for a vehicle to watch from an observation point. I begin by placing a point of interest, which is a target I want to observe. I can then select this point and task the selected vehicle to observe it. The observe interface allows me to designate the position that I'd like the vehicle to observe from and displays the lateral offset and vehicle altitude. I now launch the vehicle and start mission. The vehicle will travel to the observation waypoint and rotate to focus on the point of interest. If I'd like to define a second observation point on the same point of interest, all I have to do is repeat the observed placement on that point of interest. The follow behavior allows a vehicle to follow the user or another vehicle at an offset while maintaining a heading towards either a static point of interest or a dynamic point relative to the heading and location of the user or vehicle it is following. In this case, I will have the vehicle follow my location while staying locked on to the southwest corner of the field. To begin, I launch the vehicle. I then click on my user icon on the ground control software and select the follow task. I first move the blue point behind me at a lateral offset of 58 feet. This represents the location the vehicle will stay relative to me. Then, I move the white point to the corner of the field, the area I want to stay locked on. The aircraft will move to position and begin following the truck, all while maintaining the desired heading.